Can you use your laptop screen for PS4?
Hello viewers. Today, we're diving into a common question. Can I use my laptop screen as a display for my PS4 using an HDMI cable? Let's break it down step by step.
What's the usual purpose of laptop HDMI ports?
The HDMI port on most laptops is an output port, meaning it's designed to send data out from the laptop, not receive it. It's used to connect your laptop to external monitors, TVs, or projectors. So, plugging in a PS4 directly to your laptop's HDMI won't work in most cases, as both devices are trying to output data.
Is there a way around?
Yes, there is a workaround, but it requires some additional equipment and a bit of setup. One of the most common solutions is using a capture card. This device can take the HDMI output from your PS4 and send it to your laptop, allowing you to display the PS4's output on your laptop screen. 1. Connect the HDMI cable from your PS4 to the input port of the capture card. 2. Use another HDMI cable to connect the output port of the capture card to an external display. This step is optional and is only for seeing the game on another screen. 3. Connect the capture card to your laptop using a USB cable. 4. Install any necessary software or drivers that come with the capture card. 5. Open the software and select the PS4's feed. Your laptop will then display the PS4 output.
Are there any downsides?
Yes, there are a couple of things to consider. 1. Latency. There might be a slight delay between what's happening on the PS4 and what's displayed on your laptop. This might not be ideal for fast-paced games. 2. Cost. Capture cards can range in price, so it's an additional expense. 3. Quality. Not all capture cards offer full HD or 4K resolution. Ensure the capture card supports the quality you want. In conclusion, while you can't directly use an HDMI cable to display your PS4's output on most laptops, with a capture card and a bit of setup, it's entirely possible. Remember to consider factors like latency and quality when choosing this route. We hope this guide has been helpful, and happy gaming!